SKIL Power Core 20, 5 amp battery, fully charged. This is 1800 inch-pounds. RYOBI 4 mode, 2200 inch-pounds, 2 amp high output battery, only 3 bars. Now these are 5-inch power lags. Well, we all know who won that. Even with a 2 amp battery, it won it. This has 2200 inch-pounds. This only has 1800 inch-pounds. And let me see here. This goes all the way to 4,000 impacts per minute. And this only goes to trying to read. They sure don't say much on here. Well, I'll put it in the description, but I'm pretty sure this is 4,000 impacts per minute and 2,900 RPMs. I'm pretty sure that this is not 4,000 impacts per minute. This is 4,000 impacts per minute. And I'm pretty sure this is nowhere near that. But hey, this is, you know who makes this. It's made in Naperville, you know. The same company that makes Flex. We all know who makes this, TTI, you know. These are competitors. This is your bottom of the barrel tool through the Home Depot. This is the younger brother, and this is the younger brother at Lowe's, because we all know the middle brother is Cobalt, and the big brother, of course, is Flex. And we all know the middle brother to this is Rigid at Home Depot, and the big brother we all know is Milwaukee. So these are the youngest in each family fighting it out.